Hello guys, welcome to Mr. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level 10 update KB5063709 or KB5066188, not installing error code 0x80070000d or 0x800703fa on Windows level by 10. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you are begin, like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start that steps. First step for the command promote. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that command, then right click on the run as administrator. Confirmation as click here. This command all description is set, then copy to paste. First command for the SFC space slash scan now. This command, this process will be take some time, so wait here. Verification 100% completed, then only then go to the next command promote. I have skipped this method, then but you do not have the skip it, then 100% completed, then only then go to the next step. So then go to the next step, services. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that services, just click to open it, then scroll down, find Windows update, just click to select and right click on the properties, then go to the startup type, select the manual. Then if the service status is stopped, just click on the start button, hit the apply and the OK button, click here to close it and go to the next step. Delete update files. Sometimes you are update corrupted files you are get it, so you are get this error. So go to the file X folder, then local desktop tab to open it, then below Windows tab to open it. Again scroll down, then find software distribution, double tap to open it, then select it all, then right click, just click button, click to delete all files. Once it delete, then close it. Again restart your system and come to Windows Update, check it. Again it not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot update. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that settings, just click to open it, then find your settings, search bar, then click here, then click to type that Windows Update, hit the enter, then scroll down below, find fixing problem with Windows Update, just click here, the notification bar, so that here click on the next button, checking for pending restart. So wait, it is troubleshoot started, then finish it, then only then go to again check it your Windows Update. Checking for Windows Update is used. So proceed, then finally you are checked your Windows Update, then your problem fix it now. Then just click to update the latest version Windows Update. Then your problem fix it now.